Today we're going to be unboxing the Kamvas 16. Alright, here we go. This is the Kamvas 16 graphics pen display tablet by Huion. Let's get to opening this thing and see how it's coming together. See that? Huion. Drop it out. Woo! Type heavy. Gonna just throw this to the side. Let's get this rocking. So thank you for choosing Huion. Thank you for choosing Huion. I'll go 100% happy with the Huion product. If you need any assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us, and we shall be glad to help you every way possible. Okay, warranty. Just gonna put that up here. All right, so let's see the box. Direct the front, bottom, side, top, Kamvas, the side. It says, what does it say? It says create, love, create different. Okay, and the bottom. Okay, this one around. That's two sides. Cover. On. So display. Huion. Here, as you can see, this right here. Take this off. Nice little covering. Okay, and here comes with, what is this? The glove, I believe. Oh, this is actually the glove. This is probably to wipe down the screen. Looks like some directions in here. And then this is the driver manual. So download the driver. They don't no longer do CDs. So over there. I guess this is the port you put into the actual Huion. And this is ways it comes out. This is the HDMI port. It's the USB port. And this looks like something else you connect. I'm not sure what that is right now. All right. So we have the pin right here. So we have the pin right here. It's pretty nice. Put that to the side. And this is the dock, which the pin sits in. So you see that, Huion. So yeah, and I believe inside here they have the nibs for the pin inside of here somewhere. So wire to the side. This last thing in here. Take this out. Okay, and open this. All right. Okay, it looks like the adapter, the AC adapter. That goes directly inside the Huion. Okay. Gonna open this up right here. I don't know why I bought a glove. I should have sent it back. I bought one already, but this is one right here. So when I'm doing my thing, I don't let this part touch the screen, and mess up my potential drawing. That to the side. Like the screen white. Yeah, white for the screen. Everything branded. Nice. So this is the drivers. Warranty card. This is the actual booklet, Kamvas 16. So this looks like the setup. So yeah, cool. Back to this again. This just enters here, sits. We're gonna take the pin. So here you go, this is the pin. Nice little sleek design. Huion. Okay. It's the nib. Right here. Like this. And to the part you all been waiting for, the actual tablet. So yeah, let's open the back. Slide the bad boy out. You have the buttons here. Trigger press. Up, down, left, and right. These are the expressive keys, and this is like a scroll type wheel, and there's more expressive keys down here. And then this is the Huion logo, and this is the actual screen. I believe it's protective. Yeah, anti-glare, I believe. There's no glare coming through here. So yeah, let's get this thing hooked up. Hey everyone, I had a little difficulties with my port, so I had to go to Walmart and all this craziness and find I had to find a DVI. What is that? An adapter port, a DVI adapter from HDMI to DVI. So yeah, this is me going into the settings right now. To try to activate the drivers and activate everything. It actually took me quite a while to fix the drivers. It took me a really long time. That's why you see me doing this voiceover now. So yeah, this is me doing some artwork on the tablet. It's very smooth, very responsive. It's actually all you can want for in the display tablet. As you see me fixing my brush settings right now. So yeah, this is a very great tablet. It responded very well. It's very sensitive. And the screen is very easy to draw on. No problems there. This is me just drawing some lines. This is actually my first time even using it. So I still have to get my express keys fixed out. Everything worked out with my express keys. And after I get my express keys done, jobs is gonna be going very fast. Stuff is gonna be getting done very fast with this tablet. This is just me doing some artwork for my boy. I'll release the full video when I get it done. It's actually gonna be a speed art, so it's gonna be the same video, but just all the way through to the end. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, follow me on my Facebook, follow me on my Instagram. All that will be in the description. And yeah, everyone, have a blessed day. Be careful with this coronavirus out here. Don't be afraid. Don't let everybody get you afraid. Keep living your life, but just be a little cautious in what you're doing. And have a good day. Peace.